The wild waste-tailed sun had barely begun its climb over the horizon when Jake Morgan, a rugged 35-year-old rancher, drove his pickup down the dusty path toward the old property he had just purchased at auction. The papers had promised him a bargain, a rundown ranch at a fraction of its supposed value, but nothing could have prepared him for what he found. Standing at the edge of the porch was a woman, poised and composed, her auburn hair catching the early light. She looked to be around 30, with a confident, almost regal presence that made Jake pause mid-step. She smiled faintly as he approached, and her voice cut through the quiet morning air. "Get inside first, then," she said, her tone playful yet commanding. Jake raised an eyebrow, uncertain if she was joking or serious. Curiosity, stronger than caution, pushed him forward. Inside the house, the scene left him speechless. The interior was immaculate, filled with warmth and charm that belied the ranch's neglected exterior. Every corner seemed cared for, every detail intentional. The woman moved with grace, opening cabinets and gesturing to the furnishings as if she had been planning this place for years. "I'm Claire," she said finally, extending her hand, "and I think we need to talk about how this ranch is going to work, for both of us." Jake shook her hand, still absorbing the reality of the situation. I thought I bought this place myself," he stammered. Claire's smile softened. "You did, but I've been here for a while, maintaining it, keeping it alive. You thought you were buying a ranch, but you were really buying a home I've been caring for all this time." As the morning light spilled through the windows, Jake began to understand. This woman had not only preserved the ranch, but had made it beautiful, turning what could have been a barren, useless plot into a thriving home. And she had done it all alone. By noon, they walked the property together, talking, laughing, and planning. Jake realized that his life, once defined by solitude and routine, was about to change forever. Claire's confidence, skill, and vision complemented his own practical experience as a rancher. Together, they could make this place flourish. By evening, as the sun dipped low and painted the sky in shades of orange and pink, Jake knew that the auction had given him far more than a ranch. It had given him a partner and a wife he hadn't expected, yet couldn't imagine life without.